ndị be anyị mụ onwe mgbe ego ngọaka onye nke na-anabata gị n'Olundigbo n'ụzọ ije Voice of Igbos in Diaspora nke na-ewetara gị na NTA nke nọ na Lagos steeti. Ọ dị mma n'ụbọchị tata n'ime program a anyị ga-ahụ ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche ọnya anyị ga na-ahụ na program a, ihe gbasara ndị Igbo, omenala, ihe ọbụla kwara politiks, ihe ọbụla gbasara ndị Igbo, ịgba akwụkwọ, ikupụta nwa, ebe a na-akpọrọ ụlọ, ebe a na-emepe ụlọ, ihe ọbụla gbasara ndị Igbo ọnya anyị ga na-ahụ na this program. Mana tata n'ime program a, nke mbụ achọrọ m ije wetara unu ajụjụ ọnụ anyị jụrụ ndị Igbo ebe ha mere mitin ọha na eze na ejimi. Anyị chọrọ ka anyị wetara unu ya bụ ajụjụ ọnụ, ya bụ kweshọn nke anyị jụrụ ndị mmadụ gbasara ọchịchị Leo Okafọ na Lagos steeti, ka anyị mara ka ọ dị, ka m wetara unu.
asị na ndị gbaa asị na desnisi ahụ were abụ ụtọ nso onye ọbụla chọrọ echere bịara bido sọ n'ikpekọ ya o gosiri na anyị achọ ọfụma so na aka anyị na-ekwere azụ.
And incidentally, the chairperson of the planning committee of Ọgbakọ ndị Igbo tata is Olundigbo. What before Zulu them? Turn and pass. Behind no kwani abu ni na ekweta ba ya ekweta rofa. Sure na ye me ekweta fa tuo Igbo yi.
Okay. Chairman Managing Director, Customer Communication Nigeria Limited. Chairman Managing Director, Power Events and Making a Claim. The President of Alaba International Market Association. Also the President General of Alaba International. The truth is that the man that is the President of our is a man with the capacity. I want to tell you that since the inception of Ohanese, there have never been a time a president gathered all people from all sectors and all walks of life. This man has succeeded in doing it. He has brought every faction together. He has united all the traditional institutions, all the village sheds, all the town unions, all Igbo-speaking community. I want to tell you that the man, his second name should be a unifier. He has unified, he has united all of us.
Ihe ọzọ m sị ka ịhụ na program a ugbu a bụ Winko Foam ya na Don Chuks Decorative Flower. Achọrọ m ka ịhụ ụmụ ihe na-aba m ga-echeghata azụ.
Every night. It relaxes your muscles, improves posture, and gives supportive relaxation. Winko Foam ensures you wake up every morning feeling refreshed. Winko Foam Industries Limited, makers of best quality foams, mattresses, pillows, sheetings, cushions, and underlays. Winko Foam products are quality products, reliable, affordable, tested, and trusted. Available in all leading shops nationwide. You can contact us at our head office, 17/19 Orishugi Street, K2, Lagos, or call us on 07080639970 or 08070591912 or 08068461600. Invest in a good mattress that prioritizes your spine alignment. Winko Foam, making Nigeria comfort for more than 35 years. Don Chuks Decorative Ventures bring to us artificial flowers to beautify our homes, gardens, estates, schools, and recreational centers. This is new, unique, and extraordinary flowers that makes our environment to radiate, glow, and enhances serenity and comfort. It comes with different shining lights which light up our environment at night. It comes with different trees like palm tree, mango trees, plantain trees, and other little flower trees. It is affordable and lasts beyond a decade. We install the flower trees and render maintenance services when the need arises. You can contact us on 081 5526 2326 or 00334 62052. We give you a quality services.
My name is Shakespeare Districts as a general follow so our feature trees is for the creation of estates and hotels and homes. So, and if you can see, I think it's very beautiful. So we have installed it in many places, both here in Lagos and East. So it's very, very affordable, and one that is bringing it to the country for now. So we can take it to any location. So and install it. It has lights. In the night you can on it, the light will be shining everywhere. You make the estate to be attractive for buyers. So it's very, very beautiful. It can last for more than 10 years.
Wow.
And eventually anything happen, the person wanted to to service or do anything, we also do that. Maybe something happened or a crack or something that we do maintain it, so do repair.
Okay.
So we can repair it. We are not only a story, we maintain it. If there is any electrical issue of it, we have our workers who can come and service it and maintain it so it will remain for all years. You can serve it for as many years as you want it. We have elder trees, we have coconut trees, we have mango trees and other small flowers.
Okay.
Because these days, it's time that people, bring different innovative on how to, beautify their places, their hotels. So now it's no more time that people
plant flowers
to cut flowers and start working on them. So this one is artificial. When you store it, you don't need to start watering it. You understand? It will remain like that. You understand? So it's not something that when we start seeing leaves everywhere. As you store it, that's how it's going to.
Okay, my people, you have seen it. This is from the right source, telling you that you can invite them.
Ọ dị mma ejikọ m ohere a gawa ọkọta ugbu a na-ekele ndị be anyị ndị nke nọ na Majestic Hotel nke nọ na ọkọta. Ebe aha bụ ebe ihe ọbụla ịchọ iri oriri ma ọ bụ chọọ ime mmemme ịchọrọ ha gaa ebe aha. Họteelụ ha dị mma, ihe ejiri wee mara ya bụ Majestic Hotel nke dị na nọmba 3 Ibrahim Amoda Street off Century Bus Stop, Agọ Ọkọta. Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ime chọga ha ebe ahụ, ha na-eme nke ọma. Ịchọkwa na ịkpọ ha, ị ga-akpọ ha n'akara 08026666009 ọhịa ị ga-eji wee nweta ha. Oke, ugbu a m chọrọ ka anyị jee ka anyị hụ kene birthday nke eze ndị Igbo n'Oshodi mere. Eze Ruben Ibe aka mma, o mere birthday, ekele Chineke ka anyị hụ.
Also, higher chief Christopher Equilo John, Double Jerusalem Pilgrim. He wants me to be here because anybody else can find me. Well, that is more well because they put you to show the bubble so we are not.
Adam 69 years.
Wow.
I come and celebrate a very big way. When I'm talking as a move, I got around the number 70 years. That could be next year, 2027.
Wow.
So, again, there were more than 20. I did not message more than 20. Automatically, young was ever or 30. So, yeah, we're teaching it. So, you're born in Kenya. So, I'm making a patchination on it because all in Kenya. And you mean I get a back. If I want to make a money now, it's up to 40, 50, 60, 70. Why not Chile? Oh, yeah, America, other like that. If I was able to try to be up tunnels or tire motor in the half or kayak. And many of them get a back, a tire motor had a half.
Now, the people now, when I see a young man, I'm flying. And I don't mind how fine. And I probably don't have a line. I'll get to the queen. You know, I need to have a million of them. There's a higher than you. There's an hour, I can't
ugbu a bụ enwere ndị nọ na Alimosho ha bịa wee mee ma ndị Yoruba ha jikọtara onwe ha ọnụ were kwuo maka otu Tinubu ga-eji wee kọntinu na-emekwa gaa na 2007 nke ha kpọrọ PBAT. Ha mere inauguration Alimosho. Onye bịakwa n'ime ha bụ Pastor Tene. Achọrọ m ka unu hụ ya bụ inauguration emere ndị Alimosho PBAT chapter.
So excited that today is into us. The incoming of our president is as sure as anything. And I'm proud of this that by a special grace of God, our Father, I so much believe even the tonight that we are going to do what our president.
So the new thing again that this grassroots mobilization has come to stay is to give moral support to our President Bola for a second time because we discovered that the last election Lagos State votes were not much, and that is why we are mobilizing people to come out. We are going out to tell people, come out and do your civic responsibility.
What we are doing here is running at the Korogo, also at the Agege of Italy. That is last week Saturday. Today is for Alimosho.
Thank you very much. The paper is an acronym of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The GMC is grassroots mobilization for APC nationwide. That is what distinguishes us from others nationwide. And we are one of the national support group that mobilize at the grassroots level, door to door, street to street, market to market, all the artisans, people that we know that they can really vote for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Ndị be anyị aka mburiri ego ngo aka ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ime kpọọ m n'akara 081-8383-5864 ọ kpọkwanụ m n'akara 07036329197 ka anyị gwa ụwa maka ihe ị na-eme, ngwa ahịa gị, ebe ị na-anọ, nkupụta nwa gị, ịgba akwụkwọ, iri ji, ihe ọbụla omenala. Anyị ga na-akọpụtakwa maka ihe dị iche iche topics. Ndewo na ndị be anyị.